was a lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a wig review for you guys. AISI sent me a wig to review for you guys. This is a synthetic headband wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the review. If you are interested in seeing this review, keep on watching. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your love, your comments, all that good jazz. All right, so when you do first get your package, it is going to come in a little bag like this. You're going to get the wig. That's going to be in a net with a tag on there. This also comes with a headband as well, and there's also a black headband sewn onto this wig. Then it comes with another hair cap, which is a nude flesh tone color. And then it comes with their stock card. So I'm going to go ahead and take this wig out of the net. So this wig comes with 2 combs on the side, and then it comes with a comb at the middle. There is no comb in the back, but it does come with this right here, which is, I think this is called straps or Velcro. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on. I already have my baby hairs done. Alright, so this is how the wig is looking with me just taking it straight out. I'm going to try to finger comb her to see if I can get some more pizzazz. Alright, so we're going to jump into the specs, and then I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on this wig. But actually, it's not small at all. Actually, it's not small. The problem is there is no comb in the back, so it lifts up. So that's going to be a con if I really wanted to kind of put this in a ponytail or something like that. So keep that in mind. You might have to add your own combs if you want more security. The texture on here is very soft. These curls do not feel cheap or anything. I have mild shedding, and the luster on here looks very good. It looks very luscious. It looks healthy. Even though it's synthetic, it looks really, really good. And the color, to me, the color is like, I think it's a 1B off black, but it's very rich. I really like this color. So my overall thoughts, so this is going to be a fairly short review. This is a cute wig. I'm going to go ahead and do my 360 first. So this is the front, side, and the back. So this is kind of cute. Well, it is cute. My thing is, I just don't like those combs. I don't feel like it's that secure. So maybe I'm gonna pin some bobby pins. I think I'm just gonna put some bobby pins back here so that it can feel secure. But other than that, this is a really nice wig. It is worth the money for it. You can purchase this wig off of Amazon. I will have links in the description box. So yeah, this is really cute. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment. Yeah, and talk to me, say hey, all that good jazz. That is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys in my next video.